I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work.
Sleeping on the job like. Yes, that lah. No, me never say no. Hi guys, so we're at Margaritaville. What are we doing? We're just going to my aunt to like get something from her and like say hi. So we're not gonna stay here, but this is Margaritaville. A lot of people come here sometimes to see it, but it's not interesting to me anymore. So it's cool. But this is it. It's cute so far. Alright. So, good luck. Walk with buggy, ask what me carry bag. So how long we are stay? We not stay long, we just need to ask her what we do with the bag and me come back. You understand? You know, so when you feel easy, I mean just so we're finally about to leave Margarita. Yeah, wait. Okay. Hopefully, do I have time to clip that? Hold on, people are behind me. Let me move out the way. My aunt is in the bathroom, so I'm waiting on her right now. But, yeah. Hold on. It started raining, so we moved seats, and I can't really record much because of the music, but yeah. Here is cute, but hi guys, we're about to go get icicles. I'm excited to try it, see how it is. I'm gonna record what I can. What do you want? No dip.
From the ancients of days, keeping ideas always. King of love, Vera, Empire, Mesa, great sound power. To the world. Hear me tell you.
Compared to the land of cold and ice, Jamaica a paradise.
Kind of connection, you know. So today, I don't know. Is there a management position there that I could fill next week, Monday?
Yes.
All right. So no interview, no application, right?
None.
All right. Thank you so much. I'm gonna get back into banking. All right. So
Rosie coming.
at this time, though, I believe that we should hear some music and then maybe the survey.
80s, right? 86. 1986.
Despite of the violence and crime, economical decline, welcome to the land of Jamaica, the land of pure wood and water, sugar cane and banana, spices and good Pennsylvania. It's a glorious place, loving warm embrace, the land of mighty men and women. Marley and Garvey are some of the greats. Top to 10, Jamaica a paradise. Compared to the land of cold and ice, Jamaica a paradise.
Alright then.